I'm pretty sure after you heard the Hercules song yesterday, you thought you were gay. You have to you have to send it to me. I didn't say it sounded bad.
Pally, what are you doing?